We'll guide you through how to understand why ChatGPT might seem to be getting worse. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the OpenAI website. Once you're there, log into your account by clicking on the Login button at the top right corner. After logging in, navigate to the Help or Support section, which you can usually find at the bottom of the page. Here, you'll find resources and updates on recent changes or issues that might be affecting ChatGPT's performance. It's important to check if there have been updates or modifications to the algorithm, as these can impact how ChatGPT responds. Another step you can take is to visit community forums or OpenAI's official blog. These platforms often discuss recent changes and gather feedback from users, which can provide insights into any temporary issues or adjustments being made. If you suspect that your own interactions with ChatGPT are causing subpar performance, consider clearing your browser cache and cookies, as this can sometimes resolve performance issues. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable, as connectivity problems can affect response quality. By staying informed through official channels and maintaining a good technical setup, you can better understand and potentially mitigate any perceived decline in ChatGPT's performance. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this